Together, the 2019 Garden Trends Report by Garden Media Group dives deep into the intrinsic connection people have with nature and how banding together could be the best defense to protect the earth. People are starting to place a higher value on nature and increasing our connection with it, while cultivating a healthier relationship with technology. The future for gardening looks joyful. Here's a quick look into 4 of the 8 trends we're seeing for 2019 and beyond. "90% of people worldwide spend nearly 22 hours a day inside without enough daylight or fresh air. The indoor generation is disconnected from their natural rhythm, craving to make a connection with nature. It's time to bring Mother Nature indoors and fill our spaces with houseplants." There is a new environmentalist in town. Young people are uniting for good causes to create a healthy future for generations to come. Volunteering is up, and people worldwide are choosing brands for their social and environmental impacts. A new biocrisis is emerging: the decline of flying insects. In the past 30 years, the population of flying insects has plunged by 75%, which directly affects our ecosystem, and changing gardening habits just might be the key to combat this new crisis. Moon phase gardening is an idea as old as agriculture, popular in folklore and superstition. But new concepts and scientific ideas are reconnecting people to their roots. Planting a moon garden or entertaining under the light of the moon are sure to leave you moonstruck. So why are trends important? Trends drive consumers, and consumers drive sales. Trends can help determine which plants, products, or services consumers will want, and trends can ignite a new business idea or breathe new life into your current business. To learn more about these trends and what else we see on the horizon, please be sure to visit us at www.gardenmediagroup.com.